Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about importance of water in plants. It is used for photosynthesis, transpiration, and we have also learned about minerals. Minerals are necessary for the growth and development of plants. On the basis, their minerals are divided into macronutrients and micronutrients. Nutrients which are required by plants in larger amounts are called macronutrients. Example, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals required in small amounts that are essential for healthy development and growth. Iron, zinc, and manganese are the examples of micronutrients. And nutrient deficiency leaves. Today we'll be learning about root hairs, and the movement of water. A root is a part of a plant that develops underground and helps anchor the plant firmly in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil and conducts them to the stem through the xylem of the plant. So it helps to transport water and minerals from the xylem, alright, through the xylem of the plant. The main function of the root is to anchor the plant firmly in the soil. Now the root hairs. As you can see root hairs over here. The root hairs present a large surface area, means there is plenty of large surface area. The more surface area, the greater is absorption. Each root hair has a semi-permeable membrane. It contains a solution of a higher concentration than the surrounding soil water. Okay, this higher concentration you will understand when we do the water movements. Root hairs has plenty of surface area. The more surface area means more absorption of water, and each root hair has a semi-permeable membrane. Now the movement of water molecules. Water molecules move in plants through three ways. First, diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. Diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. So let us understand diffusion. It is the movement of substances from a region of area of a high concentration to the region of low concentration. So higher to lower concentration. So high concentration would be the best example I would give you. A solute. So, and the low concentration would be water. So let's giving you an example of a solute is salt and the solution is water. When a salt is put inside the water, the salt, that means the movement of molecule takes place from region of higher to lower concentration. Alright. Diffusion happens in liquids and gases because their particles move randomly from place to place. So you put salt in the water, the salt will mingle with the water and we get a salt solution. So a simple experiment, you can try this at home also. Take a dropper and you put some drops of ink, because the ink is high concentration and the water is low concentration, so it will spread. Diffusion is an important process for living things. It is how substances move in and out of cells. So class, this is what we are going to learn for today. We have learned that diffusion, we have learned about the water molecules. We have learned about the movement of water molecules, that is diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. So diffusion is the movement of a substance from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. We have learned about root hairs. More the root hair, the surface area will be more. Alright, and each root hair has a semi-permeable membrane. We have also learned about root. A root is a part of a plant that develops underground and helps to anchor the plant firmly in the soil. The main function is to absorb water and minerals from the soil and conducts them to the stem through the xylem of the plant. So, class, this is what we'll be learning for today.